ACLAS IR6 AI Cash Register Scale. IR6 Cash Register Scale gives 6 extra functions free. It's mainly used as a cash register scale for fast checkout. Free Function 1. Support shelf label printing. No need to purchase shelf label printer. Free Function 2. Can be used as label scale for pre-packing during closing time. Free Function 3. Label printing. Able to print big label as label printer. Free Function 4. Small label printing. Able to print small labels with back paper. Free Function 5. Link with ACLAS ESL system to synchronize price to ESL. Free Function 6. IR6 is switchable between cash register scale mode and label scale mode.